And now this is one of the most important parts of the game because I found a brilliant move. Pause the video, give it a few minutes, see if you can find it. Well, if you did what we've been reinforcing so much, guys, in this channel, you should be looking at, you should evaluate the position, you should look at your candidate moves, and this should be one, but bishop b3 should be also a move. Take my rook, I'm going to pin you, and of course, it's not about this cheap trick, it's just that with this move, I get to improve my bishop for free with a tempo. So queen gets out the way, bishop e6, knight d7. And now I was so close to just take threatening checkmate, but I didn't like the fact that after I took, they had king b8. The engine says this is the way to go, and then rook b1, but I said, let me keep it simple, just move my rook. You see, inaccuracy, oh actually b6, okay. So rook b1 still winning by 481, queen h5,